Think RV roofs don't need seasonal maintenance? That's risky. Many owners wait until visible leaks appear. Wrong approach. Small membrane failures spread fast under UV and weathering. I'm an RV maintenance specialist with years of roofing experience. I've repaired hundreds of roofs. Prevention beats reactive patching. Problem: traditional sealants crack, peel, and fail under movement. Solution: professional elastomeric and silicone coatings that create seamless membranes. We vetted 10 expert-recommended RV roof coatings for durability. They protect against water intrusion, UV degradation, and thermal cycling. Products include elastomeric rubber, 100% silicone, primers, and reflective coats. Heng's roof coat forms a flexible, weather-resistant, waterproof membrane. BEEST USA liquid rubber adds a 15-year warranty-backed seal. Senven offers solar-reflective, crack-filling protection covering 60 square feet. Rust-Oleum delivers high-build, cool roof UV resistance up to 10 years. Dicor restores rubber, vinyl, and fiberglass, ideal for RV service centers. Liquid rubber primer ensures adhesion to EPDM and TPO membranes. Liquid rubber coating provides 10-year flexible protection and leak sealing. Countryman silicone top coat offers single-coat professional-grade waterproofing. Gardner Estee Cool Plus offers high reflectivity and energy-saving roof benefits. Everbond flexes 500% non-toxic with lifetime limited warranty. Why these work? Elastomers bridge cracks and maintain elasticity. Silicones resist ponding water and extreme UV degradation long-term. Primers improve adhesion especially on EPDM, TPO, and aged surfaces. I applied Everbond to a 2017 coach. Leaks stopped. Another client used BEEST and reported no issues for 5 seasons. Coverage varies. Check square footage per gallon before purchasing. Preparation matters. Clean, prime, and repair edges before coating application. Apply with brush, roller, or spray according to label directions. These 10 professional coatings extend roof life and prevent leaks. Click the link in the description and check the full list, compare specs, and pick your coating.